If you will see all this height, okay, height of this one is very nice, long height, okay. So yeah, this one is the normal one, this is very low, but this one is height, this is the one you chose before. So from the table, sir, the height of this one is like this. See, very height, sir, 45 centimeters from the, and then if you want like this one, sir, from here, the height of this one, yeah, see, the height of this one is very good, 120 also, sir. Okay, this is 1.2, okay, this size 1.2, this one size is 1.2, sir. Okay, then this one, sir, is if join together like this, so same thing, 1.2, 1.2, 1.2, 1.2.
Subscribe!
Partition,
Sana
sir,
all!
is 0.
Subscribe!
centimeter, so it means 5, 10, 15 plus 1.2 plus 1.2. So this one is coming 2.55. 2.55 if four together attached. And same thing, this one is 1.2. 1.2, 1.2, side 1.2. Okay, sir? So the total from here, if joined together is 2.55. Sir, if you want like this, 3, 1.2 plus 1.2 plus 1.2, this one is coming 3.6. Okay, plus 5, 10, 15, 20 plus 0.20, so coming total, sir, is 3.8. So this one is 6 person, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 person, sir. So total of the from here is 3.8 centimeters, sir. This is size for the 1.2, sir, ha?
Excuse me. Sana all!
I don't know.
Subscribe!
This one, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, this size. This one size. You tell me which size here? You tell me 5.1, right? If you have it here, this one, 1.2. Okay, but if you have one, you coming, which size? Another one also. Here to here. Here to here. Same this one, right? This one you tell me. This one which size?
Sana all.